right? You can almost go camping with one of these, right? But it's a nice fleece. That animal was a really nice fleece.
The 11th Sheep Shearing Festival takes place at the historic Highland Springs Ranch and Inn.
Yeah.
Did you see some sheep?
Located in Cherry Valley, California, get a close-up view of how our sheep are shorn and how we process our wool. Guests can learn about natural dyes, how to wash wool, and visit our farm to feed our organic sheep.
They're usually a little bit more cooperative, but you see how the floor slopes down? If the floor's straight, then they're comfortable. So when I go to stand it up on her hunches, it's leaning forward, and that's what probably this morning. But they don't really mind it too bad. I mean, you can see that just like nothing happened to them right after.
Oh.
Graciano, the sheep shearer, will demonstrate how the sheep are freed from their winter woolies. Participants will also be able to see what happens to the fleece once it leaves the sheep: washing, carding, dyeing, and spinning.
Like having popcorn. Are you watching the shearing?
Back in the day, this was a good sheep to show you guys because they have the density in it to give you a nice one-piece fleece. I mean, you can see how big that is, and it's warm too. Right? You can almost go camping with one of these, right? But it's a nice fleece. That animal was a really nice fleece.
That's lots, isn't it? We don't need, let's try and get a bit smaller. Here we go, there. Here we are.
Just tip it in.
I can't put it. There we go. Yeah, hold this and you can use those to stir it around. That's a grass. There we go.
Awesome.
Does it look nice and clean?
In the early 1800s, the area surrounding Highland Springs Ranch and Inn was known as the San Gorgonia Rancho, an outpost for the San Gabriel Mission. A large portion of the area was a Spanish land grant made to a man by the name of Paulino Weaver. In 1853, Weaver sold some of his land to Dr. Isaac William Smith, who was struck by the land's natural beauty while looking for stray cattle. The original Smith residence stood near where the swimming pool is today. In 1862, Smith's ranch was dubbed Smith Station and was made a stagecoach stop. In 1865, a young Wyatt Earp drove the route from San Bernardino to La Paz, Arizona, on which Smith Station was a popular stop.
goodness, no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Now his shoes say squeak, squeak, squeak. Have you ever had wet shoes? They do, they squeak. Yeah. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, just keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good.